and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you.
So we've just got the popcorn ice cream and the Ace of Hearts ice cream. It's inspired by Queen of Hearts. It looks really cool for Valentine's Day actually. So here we are at the Laugh and Go Cat near the Cars road trip ride. Lightning McQueen cheese and ham toasty, which was €8. And then we've got a cupcake there. So a Cars themed cupcake. You can get a pink one or a white one, and they're white chocolate. Like a white chocolate cupcake with frosting. Yeah, they're €4 there. Cake has got cream cheese in the middle. Sorry,
Laughing cow, where the white bit is.
Yeah.
Can't see for the sunshine, and look at all that frosting on top. I actually think you try it. I've heard lots of people not say too many good things about it on other vlogs. I actually really like it. I think it's really nice. Have you made a decision, Em? Really nice.
It's a different type of cupcake, and also it's cold.
Yeah, it's quite cold. It's really nice, isn't it?
To keep the cheese out.
And the cheese and ham McQueen sandwich was really good as well. Yeah, I think that was well worth its money. I tell you what it is considering you think all that frosting is going to be really sugary, and it's not that sweet.
No.
And I think that's why I like it, because I don't like things that are too sickly. But for people out there that are put off by not buying it,
Are you sure about that?
I think that's really nice.
Stuffing down them 4 cakes.
Oh, very funny. Yeah, right. So we've got the cheesecake pops there with a hot chocolate. So you get a special deal at the truck in the studios where these are €5 normally, but you get that and the hot chocolate for €7. So good. They look really nice, don't they? So yeah, so cheesecake pop. They are supposed to be purple ones for the 30th anniversary, but clearly we haven't got purple ones today, have we? But never mind. I think they're exactly the same taste, I think it's just the colour. So this is the truck that you get them from. They do hot dogs and things, which apparently they're supposed to be really good, but I think the hot dogs are like €11–12. We didn't really fancy that. But as I say, they're €5 on their own, or €7 with a hot drink. So that's really good, isn't it? Enjoy!
20th anniversary cheesecake pop. Let's try it.
Lovely backdrop. Let's not forget, it's the same as the chocolate one, I think. But the chocolate one is in quite a few. Where did we get? We got it from the studios, didn't we? The normal chocolate one. This purple one is in a car opposite Thunder Mountain, and we happened to notice that they sell the purple one. Perfect. Enjoy.
It's lovely.
Yeah, it was €5, the same as the normal chocolate one, wasn't it? Like it? Is it the same? Okay.
We're now going to go down to get a Mickey cake pop. I'm really excited. Let's go. Okay, so it's the Boardwalk Candy Palace, and inside here is a little cafe.
Is it as good as the other one, the ping pong?
Pink's
Similar.
better, but
Yeah, but it's quite a rich
Dark chocolate.
chocolate cake pop thing, isn't it?